Good morning, everyone. This is the news for Tuesday, August 26th. President Donald Trump says his administration maybe should wait until cities ask for help when it comes to crime. Speaking in the Oval Office yesterday, Trump said opponents would take credit for reductions in crime if his administration sends National Guard troops to cities before being asked. The president also said he doesn't like dictators and that he's not a dictator, after saying, quote, "A lot of people are saying maybe we'd like a dictator," end quote. Trump has suggested he should send National Guard troops to Chicago next. More than 2,000 National Guard troops are currently in Washington, D.C. Additionally, President Trump is looking to stop cashless bail across the country. He signed an executive order on Monday that threatens to withhold federal funding if cities do not end the policy. Trump said crime went up when cashless bail began. The former head of the Sinaloa drug cartel pleaded guilty to federal charges when he appeared in court yesterday after previously maintaining his innocence. News Nation's Allie Bradley reports.
Zambada pleading not guilty last year to drug, gun, and money laundering charges. A judge, setting this change of plea hearing just 2 weeks after prosecutors confirmed they would not be seeking the death penalty. That same judge sentenced El Chapo to life in prison in 2019. So we heard from Attorney General Pam Bondi, who just spoke about El Mayo's change in plea. She says he will also spend his life behind bars.
Ismael Zambada, known as El Mayo, was arrested in Texas last month. A federal prosecutor said in a court filing they expect the 77-year-old to plead guilty to 1 count of racketeering conspiracy and 1 count of continuing a criminal enterprise. A federal judge is blocking Kilmar Abrego Garcia's deportation to Uganda for now. Abrego Garcia's lawyers filed a challenge of the Trump administration's efforts to deport him for a second time after he was detained by ICE. The judge's order prevents Abrego Garcia from being deported before August 28th, with her adding that she's inclined to extend the stay until she's made a ruling in the case. The Transportation Secretary is set to announce action today against 3 states over English language tests for truck drivers. The move comes after an Indian immigrant truck driver was charged for killing 3 people in a Florida crash. Transportation Chief Son Duffy says the man could only identify 1 out of 4 road signs shown to him in a test after the crash. The driver had been granted a commercial driver's license in California and Washington state. And Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton has ordered schools to display the 10 Commandments unless they're blocked by a federal court. A judge halted the law in 11 districts, citing First Amendment concerns. Paxton has appealed, and the case could reach the Supreme Court. I'm Matthew Handley.